name is Ruggero de Maria. I'm the president of Alliance Against Cancer, which is the comprehensive cancer network in Italy. And the network started in 2002, and we have 26 cancer centers in Italy.
And what do you see as the biggest disparities in global cancer care?
The disparities are at multiple levels. So there's a problem with prevention and therapy as well. I think that when I look at the numbers worldwide, I see that in many countries the number of people getting cancer is probably underestimated a lot. And because some numbers are unrealistic. So it means that we need to put a lot of efforts to understand the problem, to work together, and I think that ICPC can have a central role in this.
So are there any examples of successful collaborations between countries or organizations that have improved cancer care?
Yeah, a lot. There are examples mostly in all the continents, in the United States, in Europe. In Europe, I know better Europe because we have the cancer mission, the European Beating Cancer Plan, and there is a lot of integration. We really put in a lot of efforts to harmonize the different way to treat cancer, the problem with prevention, and the interaction with companies, which is crucial because you need to have to harmonize and to be effective by leverage the excellence that there are in the academia and try to direct the interest of pharmaceutical companies in something that can be sustainable at the end. Because so you should somehow align the interests of the different partners, public and private, in order to be harmonized and effective.
And how can patients or patient organizations become more involved in shaping healthcare policies?
Well, I think that now there is a full understanding, at least in Europe and US, that the patient should have a central role. Because they are part of the boards committee, and they participate in the clinical trial design very often, not to mention, and of course the review board that need to decide whether the experimentation is ethical. And I think that the central role of patient now is becoming clear also outside the Western countries, because I can tell from the people I met here for Northern Africa and China, that it's getting more and more, so the importance of patient and the advocacy, they can really help. And sometimes I can tell you that a treatment, so the quality of life, for instance, is very important, not just the survival. So the new drug that should be approved, they need to take into consideration a lot of the quality of life, because at the end is what patient wants.
And in your opinion, how important is collaboration between different stakeholders involved in cancer care?
It's very critical, it's very important, and we know that all the European the joint action, CSA, they really try to involve all the stakeholders, and member states, association, charities, industries. So I think that the best way is to connect all the people together, and at the end to take a decision that is somehow agreed among all the stakeholders. This is the way to go.
And would you say that biggest disparities are also caused by lack of international collaboration?
Yeah, this is certainly true, because unfortunately some disparities are due to the, of course, to the economic reason, because also within a single country, because depends on the system. In Italy, we have a universal system for the healthcare, but also we are struggling with the sustainability. So, and in some countries, so I think that we should have an effort in making cancer war sustainable and more effective. And in order to do this, you need to have a comprehensive view, and the networking and cooperation is essential for this. And also you can leverage from the excellence. You know, you share the expertise, and when you have experts in different areas, often they are not in the same, not even country, but you know, sometimes you need to find an expert in another continent. So the international cooperation, a global view, is very important to tackle and to be effective in this cancer.